Hey everyone, it's G here, Gayon here in Cali. Welcome everyone to, it's Tuesday, it's February 27th, 2018. Woohoo! So today I'll be sharing with you guys a quick, healthy hot chocolate recipe. And I came across this morning. These ingredients in here is fabulous. I love the ingredients that Erin Nielsen, I follow her. I love this ingredients. I've never seen a hot chocolate recipe like this before, with all these great healthy ingredients. So I'm gonna try this out later. I usually if I drink my tea, etc., at night before I go to bed. So I'm gonna try this later today. So I wanted to share with you guys this great hot chocolate. So if you love hot chocolate, this is a great alternative to having your hot chocolate without feeling guilty. It's very healthy, and the ingredients are just awesome. So let me just go over the ingredients real quick. Now before I get started, guys, the recipe and instructions for this hot chocolate is in my Healthy You page. So right below the description of this video, you will see the link to the Healthy You page. Go there. Go to that page, and everything I share with you guys today is right there. It's the ingredients and instructions. I guess, and again, this hot chocolate. Hot chocolate is very easy to make. This is going to be a very quick recipe. It won't take long at all to make this hot chocolate, but I wanted to share you guys a healthy alternative to hot chocolate, because it's this time of the year. It's winter time, and this is a lot of times where I like to drink hot chocolate. So I want to quickly share this recipe with you guys. And again, go get the recipe for yourself. It's in the Healthy You page. Okay, so what's the ingredients? 3/4 to a cup of hot water. So boil your hot water in your kettle. Okay, you're gonna need two tablespoons of raw cocoa, okay, or cocoa powder. So let me show you the cocoa powder that I use. This is organic cocoa powder that I'm using, and I bought this at Sprouts. So I have my cocoa powder. I'm ready to go. All right. Okay, 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric. Turmeric, you guys, if you don't know that, that's the herb that's great for inflammation. If you suffer from, a lot of us do have that issue with inflammation because of the processed foods we're eating and the added sugars. So this is going to help to alleviate some inflammation. So this is a great, I never had hot chocolate with turmeric in there before. This is exciting. So 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric, okay, 1 teaspoon of coconut oil or coconut cream. Coconut cream is the cream that's on top of the, if you buy a can of coconut milk and you put it in your refrigerator, the cream that sits on top, that's coconut cream. So again, you can, so one teaspoon of coconut oil, okay, or coconut cream, whatever you prefer. 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. You guys, cinnamon is great for it's a great antioxidant. It's one of the top 7 antioxidants in the world. So cinnamon is definitely something, if you can add cinnamon to your daily diet, phenomenal. So you're gonna add 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, okay. You're gonna add 1/4 cup or 1/2 cup of unsweetened almond milk or coconut milk. So 1/4 to 1/2 cup of, depending on how much hot chocolate you're making. If you're making 3/4 cup or a cup of hot chocolate, depends. But 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup of coconut milk or almond or unsweetened almond milk. Okay, another great options there. It's not dairy, right? So and then we have, what else we have? 1/2 teaspoon of pure honey. Okay, pure honey. So if you want to give it some little more sweetened taste if you're making it for your kids, you're gonna add 1/2 teaspoon of raw honey. Raw pure honey is awesome. We can have raw pure honey. You don't have to worry about added sugars, or blood sugar spiking. So, and all you do, guys, is you just mix this all in your cup. So you boil your water, pour it in your cup, however you want, 3/4 cup or a cup of hot water. You add your cocoa powder, you add your turmeric, your cinnamon, your coconut oil or coconut cream. You add you're gonna add your unsweetened almond milk or coconut milk, your raw honey, and you put it all and you mix it and you stir it, and that's it. And She also gives in the instructions, again, it's in the Healthy You page. She also gives instruction if you want to add some whipped coconut cream topping, you know, especially if you're giving it to your kids, right? You can add some topping on it. And so she gives a great recipe for that. And the coconut cream topping is, again, you put your buy a can of coconut milk, put it in the refrigerator for like 8 hours, and the next day take it out. On top of the coconut milk is going to have that cream. This is a healthier version of whipped cream, okay? It's not going to spike your blood sugar. You're not adding sugars in your system, okay? So she gives here the recipe to make some whipped cream. Again, this is whipped coconut cream topping, not the whipped cream, regular whipped cream. You're gonna make your own whipped cream topping from coconut cream. And so she has here is, you know, like I said, you're gonna you're gonna get the cream from the top of the can of the coconut milk. So put your can of coconut milk in your refrigerator for 8 hours. The next day you take it out. It's gonna build that cream on top. That's you're gonna, you know, scoop it out the top of your coconut milk, that cream. And so all she's adding is 2 teaspoons of raw honey. Again, raw pure honey, and 1 teaspoon of pure organic vanilla extract. Mix that up, and then that'll be a topping for your hot chocolate. Okay. So anyway, so that's it. So it's a quick recipe. I want to share it with you guys. Try it out. If you like it, let me know what your thoughts are. Again, like I'm saying, like I've been talking about, I'm on a regular basis sharing more things to help you guys out in eating smarter, eating better, making healthier choices. This is a healthier version of a hot chocolate. So right now it's a perfect time. It's winter time. It's cold. It's been raining here in Southern Cal. It's a great time to have some hot chocolate. But again, you can have your hot chocolate without feeling guilty. And all of these ingredients, you have turmeric. It's great for inflammation, right? You have these antioxidants like the cinnamon, and cocoa itself has great antioxidants. So we need antioxidants every single day. We need that to help fight, you know, all of the cellular damage that's taking place in our bodies every single day. We can't control that. So having antioxidants daily is going to help to reduce the cellular damage in our bodies. And that's going to help us fight diseases naturally. If we can reduce the cellular damage through antioxidants, and that's the way to reduce cellular damage, then it's going to help us. It's going to help you out health-wise, so that you have, you know, a healthier body where you can it'll help you fight diseases naturally, instead of being dependent on medications. Okay. Anyway, so that's my recipe, guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know what your thoughts are. Go to my Healthy You page. Go get the recipe there. Grab the recipe, the ingredients, the instructions is all there. Try it out and let me know. If you're watching a replay, whoever's gonna try it out, don't say yes or say I'm gonna try it out. Let me know who's gonna try it out, and then also I want your feedback. What were your thoughts? How did it taste, etc. Okay, so this is, and the reason I'm sharing this because this is awesome. These ingredients are so phenomenal with, you know, with the turmeric, the cinnamon, the cocoa, all those great, you know, superfoods. You're putting all these superfoods in your hot chocolate. It's awesome. So very healthy. Try it out. Let me know what you thought. And that's my tip for today. So go enjoy your hot chocolate, guys. It's raining out here today, off and on here in Southern Cal. So I'm definitely going to have some hot chocolate later. And I'm glad I saw this recipe because I'm going to try this out tonight. So try it out and let me know what, you know, give me your feedback and let me know what your thoughts were on this healthy hot chocolate. Okay, so have a great day, guys. This is Gayon here signing off. Have a wonderful day. And I'll see you all on my next health tip. And go and enjoy that healthy hot chocolate. Woo-hoo. See you guys later. Have a great day.